Tuoxing follows the previous movement. Keep your thumbs facing each other with the 4 fingers pointing forward. Generate power through an outward spiraling motion. After rotating the wrists, wrap the fists inward with palms facing upward. Step forward with the right foot while keeping palms upward. Thrust both fists forward. The punch should feel like a steel file utilizing drilling force. Apply spiraling force forward, incorporating pressure, leaning, and impact. Direct the force straight ahead. This is the Tuoxing alligator form double punch. The height must not exceed the jawline. In Xingyiquan, movements should not go below the knees or above the mouth. Ensure the punch height does not exceed the mouth. The upper arm should be angled downward. The forearm should also be angled, with fingers clenched into a fist. The thumb should press firmly over the middle finger. The palm faces upward, with the fist eye facing outward.